Hi, it's john.morrod here from yournetbuddy.com. Today we're going to be talking about how to use YouTube for affiliate marketing in 2021. For beginners, you've basically got three choices at first. You've got ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo. Now, in the case of JVZoo and the Warrior Plus, it's more difficult to promote items at first because you have to get approved. You have to click on an item that you like and apply to be approved for it, which can take time, and if you haven't got a track record already, it can often prove very difficult. But with ClickBank, you don't need to get approved. You can just choose a product you want to promote and start doing it straight away. Right, many people will send their affiliate link straight to a sales page. But what we're going to do here is we're going to have the video. So the video itself becomes like a sales video, although it's actually hosted on YouTube. And from the sales video, many people will actually just send someone straight here to the sales page. So straight to the sales page. Now, if the person buys the item, you make a sale and you get commission. But if they don't buy the item, you've completely lost that sale, probably forever. The best way to do it really is to create an opt-in page, which is actually on your blog, where you give them something related of value in exchange for their email address. And then you already have a sequence of emails made up. So send them to the opt-in page. So then you've got three already pre-written emails that will send an email that will direct people back to the sales page. So that gives you 3 attempts at converting into a sale. Because people have busy lives, quite often they will intend buying the product when they first see it, but then they forget, they get distracted, they have to go and see to the children, and they just forget. So if you send these emails out at pre-arranged times, maybe after 1 day, after 2 days, after 3 days, and then you get 3 more attempts at making a sale. So this is a much better way of doing it than just sending them from the YouTube video straight to the sale page, in which case you only get 1 attempt. I hope that makes sense for you. So if you go to clickbank.com, and the first thing you need to do if you haven't already got an account is to sign up. As I've got an account, I'll just click on login. Once you've logged in, you need to navigate to the marketplace, and then you need to find a product. So you can either look down these lists here. You've got arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, business investing, computers and the e-business. So you can search through these for any item that you think you might like to promote, or you can click here. I'm going to look for, there's a software I quite like for creating thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So if I just type in here thumbnail and scroll down, this is the one I was thinking of here initially, is Thumbnail Blaster. I mean, obviously you can choose anything you like, but just for the sake of this video, I'm going to choose click on it, and we can see the sales page.
Creating eye-catching video thumbnails was hard, but we fixed that. With Thumbnail Blaster, creating professional video thumbnails is easy, even if you're technically challenged or don't have any design skills.
So it's quite a good sales page. It's got step 1 where you select a template. Step 2, click edit and customize the thumbnail, and then you publish it onto your YouTube videos. So if you quite like the look of it, you can go back to ClickBank, and then you can click on promote. And this is my nickname here, so if I now click on generate hop links, it will incorporate my account nickname into the hop link. So I just copy this now, and that is the link that I need to promote. So I'm going to do Command and V just to copy that link. It's quite an ugly link, that. So normally you would mask that link with a nicer looking one, which quite ugly link, but we're going to use it. So how would you drive traffic to this product? You can't just spam Facebook. You have to find a new way of attracting traffic preferably people that, because you don't want people buying from you just because they want to help you out. So one of the best ways to do that is by using YouTube. So you could actually buy this product, which I have, and you could make a YouTube video showing people how to use it much easier than it would normally be to make a thumbnail, which would involve using a program similar to Canva. So if we just go over here, this is my YouTube channel, and one of the videos I've made is how to make a YouTube thumbnail fast. It's using this program called Thumbnail Blaster. If anyone clicks on these links that are underneath the video, it goes through to Thumbnail Blaster. So for example, if I was to click on this one here, it opens up a new window, the Thumbnail Blaster sales page, which is the one we were just looking at now. Right, so let's close that one down for a moment. So to make a video like this, you would basically go into the program. So let me just go into the program for a moment. Probably the quickest way to do it is to click on this link here. We'll go into the program now, and I'll just sign in to the Blaster Suite. And then using a screen capture software such as Camtasia, or for example, you would say that you go down to YouTube accounts first to make sure that you've got your YouTube account already in, which I have, and then you would actually go to the thumbnail creator. So you click on thumbnail creator. So it brings the videos that you've already created on your channel, and it brings them all in. And you can actually just choose one of these videos. You can start to design a thumbnail for them. If there's any videos not showing here, like I know there's some videos here that are missing, you just click on refresh videos, and it goes into YouTube and it pulls out all your videos. So when you've got some videos that you already haven't got a thumb, like this one here for example, I could just click on that one, and then I go to the next step. Each time, need to select a template first. So I can choose one of these suggested templates, member, so I can turn that off and those ones will disappear. You've got your own templates that you've already created, and then predefined templates. If I scroll down a bit, can I see any of my own templates? Let's turn off the predefined ones for a moment. Use one of these templates again. So for example, let's use this one again because it's along a similar idea. So you can change any of these words. You can just click on any of them. You can double click them to actually change the words in it. So if I wanted to change that to how, move that out of the way, it'll add a double one behind it, so I've changed that word as well. And then I could just either edit these, or I could double click it, change it to the same color. There's that eyedropper here where you can select the color from something you've already got to create. Click on the text and then duplicate it. This time we'll change the color of this one to white. Highlight the text, choose white. Just line it up like the others. In fact, I'm not that keen on the colours there. Yeah, I think I prefer that. Colour dropper, choose the yellow from there, and then do the same here. Just line these ones up better. And then you can change the one, and when you're happy with it, you just click on save as a JPEG, and then save and continue. As soon as you're ready, you just click publish, and it will automatically put it onto the YouTube video because it's actually connected to your YouTube account. So once you've made the video, you just go back to YouTube and you upload it, and then, as I say, you put your link here, your affiliate link. Now this affiliate link here is exactly the same as the one that we copied earlier. The hop link that we copied earlier is just like this one here. But what I've done is I've gone back to my website, and I've actually used something called Pretty Link, which is a way of tidying it up, and then it becomes the name of my website. And in this case, I chose the letters TB for Thumbnail Blaster. So it's yournetbuddy.com/thumbnail blaster or TB, and that's a much tidier way of putting a link rather than that very long one that we saw earlier. This one, you find that not many people click on these very long links, but they do click on the shortened links like this one here. So, very briefly, that is that affiliate, and you get 50% commission on these. So for this one, every time you made a sale, you get $16.25. If you made 10 of them, that's $160. So that's just one product. You go in there and choose another product, and you go through the same process again. Now, the key to being an affiliate is that many people will go in and they'll choose one product like this, and they'll go to their YouTube channel. They'll actually just upload one, they might do two, and then they'll say, oh, not getting any traffic, not getting any views, this is never going to work. And off they go looking for another shiny object that they think is going to work quicker. And they don't. And they can waste a lot of time bouncing around from offer to offer. Whereas you find that these people that have got successful channels, they've been doing it for a long time, and they're regularly updating and uploading more videos, at least one a week, more if you can do it. And then over time, you'll start getting the views, and you'll start getting the traffic then to your affiliate offers. But it does take time. All these offers that you see on places like Warrior Plus and ClickBank, saying that you're going to be rich by tomorrow or make $1,000, in 30 days. They're just trying to get you to buy the product. You don't find people making that sort of money for real. The ones that are making the money are the product creators. They make money by selling the dream to people. But it takes effort and it takes work. And one of the best ways to do that at the moment, and has been for quite a few years, is to build a YouTube channel. That becomes your engine for driving traffic to your affiliate offers. So while you're here, there's an offer underneath my website. I put this underneath all my YouTube videos. It's this one here, which is free access to a 12-step affiliate marketing course, which is absolutely brilliant, in depth, and it will teach you how to become a proper affiliate marketer, and it will help you to keep going and not to give up so easily as most people do. So anyway, thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and I hope you found this useful, and I hope to see you again. Thank you. Bye-bye.